This easy bread machine pumpkin bread is a go-to recipe for fall, but honestly, I bake it all year round because it is just that good. There is nothing like the smell of pumpkin and spices in the kitchen to make any day feel cozy and special. To make this bread machine pumpkin bread, I like to start with 1 cup of simple pumpkin puree instead of pie mix. It gives the bread a nice texture and a natural flavor and lets you adjust the sweetness and spices to your liking. Next, add 1/2 cup of neutral flavored vegetable oil, or extra virgin olive oil if you prefer something healthier. And then add 2 large eggs to the bread pan. Before adding them, crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly until the yolks are broken and the mixture is slightly frothy. This helps the eggs mix in smoothly with the other ingredients. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 tablespoons of room temperature butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the bread pan. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour to the bread pan. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to the bread pan. Now, place the bread pan into the bread machine and select the Sweet Quick Bread setting. If your machine does not have that option, you can use the cake setting or any quick bread option available. Make sure to choose a light crust option for a perfect finish, then press the start button to begin baking. And now, let the bread machine do its thing by mixing the ingredients, kneading the dough, and baking it into a perfect loaf of pumpkin bread. After the baking cycle finishes and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing, remove the bread pan from the bread machine and let the pumpkin bread cool for about 10 minutes before turning it out onto a wire rack. This pumpkin bread is super soft and moist, kind of like cake, but still with a nice bread vibe. It has just the right amount of sweetness, and the cinnamon gives it that cozy fall flavor that makes it perfect for autumn baking. If you like this bread machine pumpkin bread recipe, you will want to check out also this super simple and soft milk and honey bread recipe here. Check it out now.